Hello beautiful people! I would like to share to you what I bought from our shopping last time at Shisui Premium Outlet. It is a seat massager which I need because of hard work. My body aches, and if you are also a hardworking people, you need this. So, let's go unboxing! Okay, let's see what's written here.
A new healing experience with PromoMe times L-shaped sheet. This will massage your hip to your shoulder. For hip massage, the L-shape and powerful motor make it possible to massage the buttocks, grasp the trigger points where there are many muscles such as gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and piriformis. So, relax, sit directly, and put your weight on it for a pleasant massage. For the shoulder massage, the three-dimensional movement of the 8 massage balls provides a deep massage experience. The L-shaped seat holds the scapula from the upper part of the shoulder. The upper vertebral massages the trapezius muscles, and the lower vertebrals massage the scapula. Relaxes the surroundings comfortably and smoothly. For back massage, relax your body for a more intimate massage. The upper and lower massage balls capture the latissimus dorsi muscles, realizing a massage that thoroughly massages a wide area. If you lie on the seat in a sleeping position, the power of the suspension will be added, and the massage will reach even your stiffness. So, it is so good to use. You can have your massage anytime, anywhere, when you feel tired.
Yan. Let's go unboxing. Oh. Tada! Nasira. Isa pa rin. Ayan, guys. Ano kaya ang laman nito? Oh! Look, look, look. Whoosh! Look, what is it? Wow! Look! Guys, ano ba to? Oh! This is adapter. Yan. This is the adapter. palang kanyang adapter. Kanyang adapter. Ayun. Ayan. May instruction. This is the instruction. How to use it. Okay na yan. Ayan. Ito na siya. Yan. Eto na siya. Oh, mabigat. No. Hanggang natin sa plastic. Ayan. Ito pala siya. Ayan. Ito, may hawakan. Meron siyang holder here. So, you can take it anywhere. Yan. Ganito pala siya. And this is the Bose. And controller. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's test how it works. Let's go, guys. Ayan daw siya. Okay. Let's try it. Okay, guys. Let's go and try it. This one. Wow! Look at the movements. Yan. Can you see? Oh, it is. What if high? Oh. Ayan ang Bose. Ito pala pagka may mainit. If you want to be heated, ayan siya, oh. Oh. Look. Oh. Nice one. Ayan siya. Look. Ayan. Diba? Super nice. Let's try, guys. Look. Then we have to start. Ay, wow. Oh. Relaxing. Worth the value. Oh, actually, I bought it for 19,000 yen. That is Ichiman Kyusen yen in Japanese yen. Oh, let's see the heat. Look, it's super relaxing. Look at this. Ayan, subukan natin sa kata. Sa shoulder. Okay. Where's this one? This one. Okay. Ayan. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. Subukan naman natin ang nakahiga. So, I can bring it to my bed. I can sleep with this. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video today. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, and click the bell button so that I will see you on my next video. Bye!